Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the delightful world of Chinese cuisine with a focus on a popular dish, spicy and sour cucumber salad. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we uncover some unknown facts about this refreshing and tangy salad. Fact number 1, origins of spicy and sour cucumber salad. This dish has a long history in Chinese cuisine and is believed to have originated in the Sichuan province. With its bold flavors and unique combination of spices, it quickly gained popularity across China and eventually spread to other parts of the world. Fact number 2, health benefits. Beyond its delicious taste, spicy and sour cucumber salad also offers numerous health benefits. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them a refreshing and hydrating option. They are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall well-being. Fact number 3, traditional preparation. The traditional preparation of spicy and sour cucumber salad involves slicing the cucumbers into thin rounds or ribbons, which allows them to absorb the flavors of the dressing more effectively. The dressing typically consists of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, chili oil, and Sichuan peppercorns. Fact number 4, Sichuan peppercorns. One of the key ingredients in this salad is Sichuan peppercorns. These tiny red berries have a unique flavor profile, offering a combination of citrusy, numbing, and spicy sensations. The numbing effect, known as mala in Chinese, adds a distinctive element to the salad. Fact number 5, regional variations. While the spicy and sour cucumber salad has its roots in Sichuan cuisine, it has also evolved with regional variations. For example, in Shanghai, they add sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds to enhance the nutty flavors. Each region brings its own twist to this classic dish. Fact number 6, culinary adaptation. Due to its popularity, spicy and sour cucumber salad has found its way into international kitchens. Chefs worldwide have adapted the recipe, incorporating local ingredients and flavors. This fusion showcases the versatility and cross-cultural appeal of Chinese cuisine. Fact number 7, beyond cucumbers. While cucumbers are the star ingredient, you can experiment with other vegetables too. Radishes, carrots, and even green beans can be added to create your own unique variation of the spicy and sour salad. The possibilities are endless. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of the spicy and sour cucumber salad. We hope you enjoyed learning these unknown facts and feel inspired to try this refreshing dish at home. Thank you for joining us today.